Hi there, students. To transfix, a verb. I guess you have an adjective, transfixed, as well. Okay, so if something transfixes you, you can't move, or you can't think, or you're unable to act. It's because the thing takes all of your imagination, all of your attention. Particularly a shock or something horrible or something amazing or incredible or surprising. So I stood there transfixed by the beauty of the sunset. Yeah, he was transfixed by the beautiful scene. There was a huge bang, and he stood there transfixed, unable to move. Yeah, we were transfixed by the beauty of the dancing. That's the idea of to be transfixed by something, to be stunned by it, to be paralyzed, to be fascinated by it. Okay, so to transfix, to make a person or an animal unable to move or to stop looking because something is so interesting or so surprising or so frightening. I was transfixed by her beautiful singing. He stood there transfixed at the news, okay, just unable to move. Let's see, to transfix literally is to push or put a long pointed thing through someone or something and to fix it in place. Well, firstly to put it through. So after the battle there were bodies of soldiers transfixed by arrows. Yeah, the arrows had gone through them. If you collect butterflies, firstly you kill it with the wings open, my God, and then you transfix it with a pin and put it onto a board, and that's the idea of to transfix. He was transfixed with terror. Yeah, he didn't know what to do. Yeah, he was transfixed by the beauty of the flower. It was just so awesome. It was just so beautiful and amazing. Okay, so to transfix, to leave somebody motionless, unable to think, unable to act. Yeah, because something is just so amazing. He had a transfixed stare on his face. There you go as an adjective. Okay, so to transfix. Also to pierce, to go the whole way through something. It was clear that after the explosion, a shard, a piece of metal, had transfixed his hand, had gone through it, had impaled his hand. Okay, but to transfix, to stand there motionless or unable to do anything. So to transfix, a regular verb, yeah? He was transfixed by the scene. Formality. Yeah, this is reasonably formal. I was transfixed by, I was motionless, I was awestruck, I was dumbstruck. So how formal? I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I don't think I'd use it in an informal conversation. So semi-formal and formal writings. And as to origin, okay, this comes from French, transfixé, well, maybe from ficher, which comes from Latin trans, through, and fixus, immovable. Yeah, steady, fixed. That comes from figere, to fasten, to hold in place. Okay, so to transfix, I was held in place because I couldn't do anything. Yeah. he asked me a really strange question, and I stood there transfixed for a moment, trying to work out what he meant. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Transfixed.